When rains are heavy and vegetation thrives, locusts feast, and their numbers explode. In places like Africa, the consequences are catastrophic. A locust swarm can eat about 80,000 tons of vegetation a day. But why do locusts swarm? At England's Oxford University, Dr. Steve Simpson is leading locust research that could pay huge dividends in Africa.
You can see that at the heart of the locust problem is the fact that these animals can change from a non-swarming to a swarming form. And if you can understand that process, then you can see the potential for developing new ways of predicting and controlling the animal.
But could Dr. Simpson isolate what triggers the swarming instinct?
The reason they change is because of crowding. If they're crowded, they change.
Crowding happens when heavy rains are followed by a drought, and locusts are forced to clump around dwindling food sources. Simpson's team tried to figure out how crowding leads to swarming by looking for clues in the senses. They discovered that sight, smell, and sound seemed to play no role. Then they looked at touch.
To simulate being touched by others, little paper balls were put in the container with the test animal and rocked backwards and forwards so that the balls buffeted the test animal.
Within a few hours, the transformation began. When the locusts crowd together, they rub against each other's back legs. And that sends a flash to the brain saying, it's time to swarm. It's a dramatic discovery. If researchers can stop the trigger, they can stop the swarm. And if they can stop the swarm, they can save countless lives.